Big Cartel Dropshipping tutorial. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with dropshipping using Big Cartel. So let's get into it. Now, dropshipping is a business model where you source products from platforms like Alibaba, Pocket, CJ Dropshipping, and then you sell them on your own e-commerce website. You can create your own e-commerce website using Big Cartel. And the best part about using Big Cartel is that their plans start at $0, and then you can subscribe to their platinum plan for only $12 per month. And this allows you to grow your business and scale your business accordingly. So let's get started. To open your shop on Big Cartel, simply head on over to bigcartel.com and click on Open Your Shop. From here, you're going to choose the plan that you want. So we're going to proceed with their free plan, and we're going to get started by entering our shop name. So I want my shop to be called Spencer, and this URL is already taken, so I'm just adding 2 zeros. And then we're going to input our email address on Big Cartel. And then you are going to type in a suitable password. Once you've done that, you're going to move towards the next step, which is to agree to their terms of service, and then click on sign up over here. Once you've clicked on sign up, you can move towards their onboarding. So we're going to click on let's go over here, and we're going to first put in our name. So it's Lily Davis. And then after that, we're going to click on next. We're just going to proceed with some of this basic information. So I want to dropship products, and I'm just going to click on next. Then after that, we're going to describe the type of items we're going to be dropshipping. And once we've done that, we are going to verify our account. So just open up your mailbox. And once you open up your mailbox, you can verify your account with Big Cartel. And once you have verified your email address, you can see this is what your dashboard on Big Cartel is going to look like. So first you have to set a location for your particular store. So you're going to go on ahead, select a country. So we're going to go ahead and set up. I'm going to select Canada, and then we can click on verify address over here. You have to, complete the full information. So we're just going to do that over here like so. And then after that, I'm just going to complete our address over here. And then we're just going to click on verify address. And now we're just going to click on save over here to save our location and currency. Once we've done that, it's time to start adding our product. And here is where our dropshipping element comes into play. So for that, you can see on your top, you have a products tab, and then you have an apps tab on the top. From here, you can connect multiple different applications. You can click on browse all apps and integrations over here. Once you do that, you will see you have some manufacturing and shipping applications such as ShipRush, ShipRobot, ShipStation, Artware, PirateShip, Printful, and other tools. You also have some analytical integrations available, but when you're adding products on this platform, you have two options when you're dropshipping. Either if you're using one of their supported platforms, so if I go into apps over here and I go into all apps, you guys can see that there are some, basic applications you can integrate. But if you are dropshipping products from any other platform, let's say you're dropshipping from Alibaba or CJ Dropshipping, then you're not going to find the application for Alibaba or CJ Dropshipping. So instead of being able to connect directly, you would have to connect it indirectly. You guys can see even on CJ Dropshipping, you have the option to do API connections or ShipStation connections. If you go back into Big Cartel, you will see that Big Cartel also allows you to connect to ShipStation. You can actually create a ShipStation account and connect both of these platforms together. It would allow you to connect your dropshipping platform to Big Cartel. Now, another really popular way that people like to dropship on Big Cartel is direct supplier connections. So instead of having a application like Pocket or CJ Dropshipping, you can go on ahead and proceed with a direct supplier contact, and you will add the products manually in that situation. And then once you start receiving orders, you forward them manually to the supplier. So this process is not going to be automated. Instead, you're going to have to manually send out orders to the supplier. And this process can only be done if you have some experience with dropshipping and you have a good relationship with your supplier. So we're going to click on add a product over here. We can click on add product and we can start adding information about our product. And if we're looking to directly add from a dropshipping platform, just go into your apps and integrations, go into your applications over here, and you will see different types of applications and all of their information. And Shippy Pro is again an application that helps you in finding suppliers. You also have Ship Rush. You also have ShipStation. So we're going to click on Get Started with Shippy Pro. And once we click on Get Started, we can go on ahead and just click on Get Started over here on the Shippy Pro application. And then you can just get access right now. You do have to request access for Shippy Pro. There's not a free trial. You do have a waiting period on how you're going to get approved. Now I'm going to be adding my products manually because I want to be able to manually forward my orders to my suppliers because I have a pre-existing relationship. So I'm just going to click on add product over here and name my product. So if I go on to Alibaba over here and search for dress, and the way that you build these types of relationships is that, let's say we have this dress over here, okay? What I would be doing is that I would see the supplier. So this is the supplier over here. You can click on the supplier over here and you will have information as well as the number of years that they have been operating. You can click on chat now and start chatting with the supplier. You can go on ahead and even contact the supplier if you want to mail them. And you can mail them and talk about, hey, if I can guarantee you this many sales every month, could I possibly get a discount on the price? And can I have a manual dropshipping model applied with my store where I manually forward orders and then fulfillment is done? You would have to pay these suppliers by yourself as well. Usually they do have Stripe, PayPal, and other payment methods available for you to be able to conveniently import and sell products. So whatever product you like, just select the product, go back into Big Cartel and enter the product name. This is going to be our white midi dress. And then you're going to download the images. So just do a right click and click on save. Click on save as and save those images. Then go back into Big Cartel and then you're just going to drag and drop the image here, add a description that suits the product category, and fulfill all of the information. Once done, you can click on save and your product is going to be created. And once you've done that, your basics for Big Cartel are now covered. You can move towards your site building after this. So you're going to click on adding a payment method. And once you've done that, you can proceed with viewing how your Big Cartel store looks like. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.